Hey y'all, welcome back to Legit Mom Life. In today's video, I'm providing y'all with some mommy motivation because we're doing a huge kids room declutter and organize with me. As y'all can tell, it has gotten totally out of hand here in Brinley's room. There are toys everywhere. She would stuff things under her bed. It just got totally out of control. We moved into our new home just a few months before COVID hit, and to be honest, I haven't really touched her closet much since we moved in, so it was all just desperate for a good makeover, and I really hope that this video gives you the motivation to get up and organize with me.
We both know that your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend the time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford. Put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor.
Please tell me I'm not the only one with my kids' rooms in such a disastrous state. Comment down below and let me know if you feel the struggle of keeping your kids' room or playroom constantly organized. Brinley's closet is an absolute disaster in here, and she has a lot of clothes that no longer fit her, so I'm sorting through items for keepsakes or to either hand down or donate. I'm also going to have a blanket made for each of the kids with their baby clothes as keepsakes. Comment down below if you have done this. I'm really curious about it.
With the lights off.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here we go.
such a huge difference after decluttering and organizing Brindley's room. I went through all of her books. She had a lot of books that we read to her as a baby, and we're actually going to be storing those away. I just cannot get rid of those. This kitchen set I will be storing in a different closet in the house. We are going to be doing a kids room makeover for both kids for part of their Christmas. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to see the end result. Brindley's closet looks so much better, and I love that it's all nicely organized. I know where everything's at. Over here on this side, she has all of her little play clothes and her dresses, so she can easily access those when she'd like to play with them. Then we have jackets, her robe, other play stuff, and then these are all of her old baby books that I need to store away. But huge difference. Over here, I have this bin of all of her keepsakes, and these are her clothing items that I'm going to have made with a baby blanket. And all of her clothes look so nice, color coordinated. And when I was done, I wanted to do Camden's closet as well, because as you can see, his is a total disaster as well. Really needed some major organizing in his closet as well. But my camera battery died, so I had to do that off camera. But here is the after. I really hope this video gave you some motivation to declutter and organize inside your own home. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you leave a comment down below because I love chatting with you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Get me out of here.